How much should you actually spend on a solar fountain pump? Some people are thrilled with cheap options that barely work, while others end up disappointed by pricier models. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Made Max 1W Solar Fountain. The Made Max 1W Solar Bird Bath Fountain Pump caught my eye with its affordable price of $14.99 and impressive rating of 4.0 stars across nearly 25,000 reviews. If you want a simple, budget-friendly way to attract birds to your garden, this is worth a serious look. This fountain kicks into action in just 3 seconds of sunlight, offering a variable spray height between 4 and 27.5 inches. That's perfect for keeping your bird bath lively and fresh without needing any electricity or batteries, just solar power. Plus, it comes with multiple nozzles for different water styles, letting you customize the look of your setup. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're trying to create a vibrant garden atmosphere, this fountain can easily draw in those beautiful hummingbirds you want. It's effective, straightforward, and has great user feedback with over 9,000 units sold last month. Now, some users have pointed out that it may splash too much water if the bird bath is too small. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in the right size basin, you should be fine. Just keep it clean and ensure it's in direct sunlight. This is perfect for you if you have a small garden or bird bath and want something easy to use. Skip this one if you're looking for a fountain that works in the shade or at night. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if you found the spray height and size limiting, the next one on my list might actually suit larger setups better. Product number 2, Made Max 1.4W Solar Fountain. Next up is the Made Max Solar Bird Bath Fountain, an upgraded version priced at $16.79. It has an impressive 3.9-star rating from over 31,500 reviews. If you want something with more flexibility and features, this is worth checking out. This fountain also activates in seconds and can spray water between 4 to 27.5 inches high. But what sets it apart are the 4 adjustable brackets that keep it stable, meaning you won't have to refill your bird bath as often. It comes with 8 different nozzles, so you can change the water patterns according to your garden mood. This multi-functionality is essential if you're looking to enhance your outdoor space and keep it engaging. Plus, with around 10,000 units sold last month, it's clear people are enjoying it. That said, some users did mention that the pump can be finicky if not placed in direct sunlight. But honestly, if you already plan to set it up in a sunny spot, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you appreciate having options and a more stable design in your fountain. Skip this one if you want something that works in low-light conditions or if you prefer a plug-in option. For the value, it's worth considering. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want something that shines in performance. Product number 3, Fulsrun 3.5W Solar Fountain. Now, let's check out the Fulsrun Solar Fountain, which is priced at just $9.98. A real bargain. With a 3.7-star rating from about 1,500 reviews, it's another contender worth a look. If you want something affordable yet functional, this is a solid choice. This model features a 3.5W solar panel that provides faster startup and more stability. It comes with 6 different nozzles, allowing for a maximum spray height of up to 70 centimeters, which is impressive for such a small investment. Plus, the design minimizes the risk of splashing outside your bird bath. This is critical if you want to prevent messy overflow and maintain a clean setup. However, some users noted it may not perform as well in windy conditions, which could affect water patterns. But here's the thing. If you're placing in a sheltered spot, you shouldn't run into many issues. This is perfect for you if you want an inexpensive option that still brings some flair to your garden. Skip this one if you need something more robust or if you live in particularly windy areas. Honestly, for under $10, it's hard to beat. If you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next option may suit you better. Product number 4, Made Max Upgraded Solar Fountain. Next, let's talk about the Made Max Upgraded Solar Fountain, retailing at $18.98. With a 4.0-star rating and 8,600 reviews, this product stands out for its quality. If you want a reliable fountain that won't let you down, this is worth considering. This one provides a powerful 3.5W output and features a retractable retainer to keep it stable. It offers great filtration with a removable box to prevent clogging, which is crucial for prolonging the life of your fountain. Plus, it has adjustable spray heights to suit different bird baths and make it more versatile in your garden. This is particularly beneficial if you want to customize your fountain's look depending on the time of year or occasion. Now, some users did mention that it requires regular cleaning to keep it functioning optimally. But honestly, if you're willing to do a bit of maintenance, this fountain will reward you with stunning water displays. This is perfect for you if you value performance and ease of use. Skip this one if you're looking for something that doesn't require any upkeep. For the features, the price feels justified. Now, if you're after something that can handle less than perfect weather, the next product might be the one for you. Product number 5, Papasoap 6.5W Solar Fountain. Finally, we have the Papasoap 6.5W Solar Fountain Pump, priced at $31.99. With a 4.0 star rating from 744 reviews, it's on the higher end, but offers some impressive features. If you want a robust fountain with backup options, this might be your best bet. This model includes a built-in 3000 milliamp hours battery, allowing it to operate even on cloudy days, something many solar fountains can't do. It also features dry run protection to prevent burnout, which is a significant plus for longevity. With 8 spray modes and a 5-foot tubing option, it's perfect for creating customizable water features in your garden. This flexibility is ideal if you enjoy DIY projects or want to change things up. However, some users reported that it doesn't work at night. But let's be real. If you're looking for a solar fountain, you're likely planning to use it during daylight hours. This is perfect for you if you want something reliable and versatile. Skip this one if you need a fountain that operates continuously at night. For the quality and features, it's a worthwhile investment. So there you have it. We've covered the MaidMax 1W for budget-friendly simplicity, the MaidMax 1.4W for added features, the Fullstring for low-cost efficiency, the upgraded MaidMax for reliability, and the Papasoap for versatile performance. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your garden needs best. Happy fountain shopping!